Primitive shapes and custom shapes in Apple Motion. To access your primitive shapes, you can find them here. This icon is for the rectangle tool. You can also press R on your keyboard for the shortcut. So R for the rectangle. C is for circle. And the triangle is not available in here. You can create a triangle or you can access the triangle here on the shapes in the library tab and here at the bottom, your triangle. So that's how to create or to access your primitive shapes. Now, if you want to create a custom shape, you can use the Bezier tool, which is in here. You can also press B on your keyboard, and once you have pressed B on your keyboard, you can create your custom shape. Similar to this. Another way for you to access your custom shapes is from the library also from earlier. We have these shapes, which you can choose. You can also access the custom shapes here on the generators, and we have the star in here. So let's apply that. We also have the sunburst, and each of them contains parameters that you can change. Let's turn off the other shapes for now and let's focus on the sunburst. So here on the sunburst generator, you have these parameters that you can change. You can change the number of arms, also the radius, the inner radius, and so on. Let's turn off our sunburst, and if we turn on our star, you have these parameters that you can change. However, when you go to the Bezier tool, so you have these basic controls. You can add your fill or outline. You can turn them both on and change settings. The Bezier shape or your custom shape, you can change the points if you go to this icon and then edit points, just like this. Next, let's check our triangle. So same as the Bezier shape or the custom shape, you have the fill and outline, and you also have this geometry for each control point. Let's go to our circle, same as before. And for the geometry, you have this curvature and radius controls. Lastly is the rectangle. So for this rectangle, if you don't want this size controls and you want to control the points of the rectangle, you just convert to points and then convert. After doing that, you can now freely change the points of the rectangle. That's how to access your primitive shapes and custom shapes.